Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Natwest credit card PIN. So, first things first, what you need to do is you need to insert your card into a card reader, right? And press the menu button until you see the message PIN change. Just go ahead and press an OK, and then just enter your existing PIN and press OK again. You need to enter a new PIN after this. Press on OK, repeat the same new PIN, OK, and press OK. And if the change has been successful, the card reader will briefly display the message PIN changed. And if the card reader actually displays an error message, this actually means that the new PIN and the repeated PINs you put here in step 4 and 5 did not match. And you'll need to repeat the process again. Okay? And if you don't get the pin change option in the menu, the software on the reader may be an older version, and you basically need to order a new card reader. And remember that this pin change option is only available for the online banking cards. You cannot change your debit card pin with a card reader, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.